call that figured it out? We're gonna rob the guys who just beat us senseless.
Oh, you want to talk about senseless? How about trying to save us by blowing us up?
We were only gonna blow you up if they didn't turn you over.
And how on earth were they going to turn us over when you only gave them a count of 5?
We didn't have time to work out the minutia of the plan. This is what we get for acting altruistically.
I'm Groot.
They are ungrateful.
What's important now is we get the Ravagers' army to help us save Xandar.
So we can give the stone to Yondu, who's just gonna sell it to somebody even worse?
We'll figure that part out later.
We have to stop Ronan.
How?
I have a plan.
You've got a plan.
Yes.
First of all, you're copying me from when I said I had a plan.
I'm not. People say that all the time. It's not that unique of a thing to say.
Secondly, I don't even believe you have a plan.
I have part of a plan.
What percentage of a plan do you have?
You don't get to ask questions after the nonsense you pulled on Nowhere.
I just saved Quill.
We've already established that you destroying the ship that I'm on is not saving me.
When did we establish?
Like 3 seconds ago!
I wasn't listening. I was thinking of something else.
She's right, you don't get an opinion. What percentage?
I don't know. 12%.
12%?
That's a fake laugh.
It's real!
Totally fake.
That is the most real, authentic, hysterical laugh of my entire life because that is not a plan.
It's barely a concept.
You're taking their side?
I am Groot.
So what? It's better than 11%. What the hell does that have to do with anything?
Thank you, Groot. Thank you. See? Groot's the only one of you who has a clue. Guys. Come on. Yondu is gonna be here in 2 seconds. He expects to hear this big plan of ours. I need your help. I look around at us. You know what I see? Losers. I mean, like, folks who have lost stuff. And we have, man, we have, all of us. Our homes. Our families. Normal lives. And usually life takes more than it gives, but not today. Today it's given us something. It has given us a chance.
To do what?
To give a shit. For once. Not run away. I, for one, am not going to stand by and watch as Ronan wipes out billions of innocent lives.
But Quill, stopping Ronan, it's impossible. You're asking us to die.
Yeah, I guess I am.
Quill. I have lived most of my life surrounded by my enemies. I will be grateful to die among my friends.
You are an honorable man, Quill. I will fight beside you. And in the end, see my wife and daughter again. I am Groot.
Oh, what the hell? I don't got that long a lifespan anyway.
Now I'm standing. You all happy? We're all standing up now. Bunch of jackasses standing in a circle.